How to turn off ask permission on Google Play Store. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can turn off ask permission on Google Play Store so that we could install application without needing approval every time. So without further delay, let's get started. Now first, open up your Google Play Store in your device. Tap on your profile at the top right. Now you have to head over to Family or Parental Control. If you can find it here, directly tap on it. If not, head over to Settings. Now under Settings, there is a Family option. Tap on it. Now you have to turn off this Family or the Parental Control. If this Parental Control is turned on, tap on Parental Control and here you could turn off. You may be prompted to enter the PIN. Enter the PIN, then tap on OK, and now the option is turned off. But if you are using any family link application, then you have to open up the application, go to your child's account if you're on the family link. Under your child account, you could head over to Manage Settings, then go to the Google Play Controls, then select Approval Settings. There you could change the settings to no approval required for the app download. So that's it. No more annoying ask permission pops up whenever you want to install an application on Google Play Store. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.